Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 8 screws securing the housing. Remove the screws using a T25 Torx driver. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the screws. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.